Boeing B737 Family Summary. This family has 4 models. Boeing B737 First Generation, Boeing B737 Classic, Boeing B737 Next Generation, Boeing B737 Max. The Boeing 737 family seats from 42 to 230 passengers depending on the model. The Boeing 737 first generation seats from 42 to 136 passengers. The Boeing 737 Classic seats between 100 and 188 passengers. The Boeing 737 Next Generation seats from 105 to 220 passengers. The Boeing 737 MAX can accommodate between 110 and 230 passengers. The maximum altitude that the Boeing 737 first generation can reach is 35,000 feet. The maximum altitude that the Boeing 737 Classic can reach is 41,000 feet. The maximum altitude that the Boeing 737 Next Generation can reach is 41,000 feet. The maximum altitude that the Boeing 737 MAX can reach is 42,000 feet. The Boeing 737 first generation has an average speed of up to 780 km per hour and a maximum speed of up to 960 km per hour. The Boeing 737 Classic has an average speed of up to 805 km per hour and a maximum speed of up to 880 km per hour. The Boeing 737 Next Generation has an average speed of up to 834 km per hour and a maximum speed of up to 1012 km per hour. The Boeing 737 MAX has an average speed of 839 km per hour and a maximum speed of 1016 km per hour. The Boeing 737 first generation is considered somewhat dangerous, and its safety rating is unknown. The Boeing 737 Classic is considered somewhat dangerous, and its safety rating is unknown. The Boeing 737 Next Generation is considered relatively safe and ranks 17th globally as one of the safest aircraft in the world by design. The Boeing 737 MAX is considered very dangerous and prone to fatal accidents, ranking 9th among the most dangerous aircraft in the world by design. The Boeing B737 family is considered the best-selling aircraft family in the history of the aircraft market, with sales exceeding 17,000 aircraft. A very large number in the aircraft market.